Hey everyone, welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 47, and I'm Lily, your friendly host who's always here to make English fun and easy. You know, sometimes in real life, we all get stuck in conversations where we don't quite catch what's being said. Like, imagine you're chatting with a friend and they mumble something important. Do you just smile and nod? Nope. Today, we're tackling how to ask for help or clarification in real life English conversations. It's all about those magic phrases that save the day and make you sound confident.
And I'm Ben, Lily's co-host, and the one who once asked for clarification on how to make coffee. Turns out I just needed help with the machine. Haha. Seriously though, asking for help or clarification is key. It shows you're engaged and eager to understand. Lily, could you clarify what we'll cover today? See, I'm practicing already.
Nice move, Ben. We'll dive into everyday scenarios like getting directions, ordering food, work meetings, phone calls, and even social chats. We'll repeat key phrases a bunch to help them stick in your memory. Like, excuse me, could you help me? Say it with me now. Excuse me, could you help me? Great. We'll have role plays, jokes to keep it light, and interactive bits where you pause and repeat out loud. Remember, we're aiming for A2, B1 levels, so everything's simple and clear. Let's start with the basics.
Basics are best. First up, asking for help when you're lost. Picture this. You're in a bustling city, map in hand, totally confused. A polite way is, excuse me, could you help me find the way to? Repeat after us, listeners. Excuse me, could you help me find the way to? Now, Lily, let's role play. I'm a helpful local and you're the tourist looking for the museum.
Okay. Excuse me, could you help me find the way to the art museum?
Sure thing. Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn right. It's on your left.
Thanks. But what if I didn't hear the directions clearly? I'd say, I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Let's all say it. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Repetition is magic for memory, right? Then say the directions fast like a speedy local.
Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn right. It's on your left.
Whoa, Ben! I'm sorry, could you repeat that? And maybe slower this time?
Haha, gotcha. Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn right. It's on your left.
Perfect. See how could you repeat that saves the day? Another short one is pardon. It's like a quick fix. Say it out loud. Pardon? Sounds fancy, but it's super useful. Then tell us about your travel mishap where you needed clarification.
Oh man, I was in London asking for the tube station. The guy said, take the lift to the platform. I thought, lift? Like exercise? Nope, it means elevator. So I said, pardon? What do you mean by lift? He explained, and I learned something new. Phrase to repeat. What do you mean by that? Everyone, what do you mean by that?
Love that story, Ben. Shows we're all learners. Now let's move to phone conversations. Phones can be tricky with bad signals. A great phrase is, sorry, you're breaking up. Could you speak louder? Repeat, could you speak louder? Or could you speak slower, please? Say that one too. Could you speak slower, please?
Yep, let's roleplay a fuzzy phone call. Ring ring. Hey Lily, I need help with the recipe. Add 2 cups of flour and baking soda.
Ben, sorry, you're breaking up. Could you speak slower, please? What did you say after flour?
Add 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. Listeners, pause here and practice say, sorry, you're breaking up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good job. It's okay to ask. People appreciate it.
Totally. Joke time to lighten up. Why did the phone ask for clarification? Because it couldn't hear the ringtone clearly. Haha. Okay, serious now. Work scenarios. In a meeting, if your colleague uses a fancy word, try, could you explain what that means? Repeat, could you explain what that means?
Exactly. Then be my boss talking about synergy.
Team, we need more synergy in our projects.
Excuse me, could you explain what synergy means?
It means working together to achieve more.
Ah, thanks. See? Simple. Another phrase is, I'm not sure I understand. Can you say it another way? Say it with us. I'm not sure I understand. Can you say it another way? Repetition helps it sink in.
It does. Let's expand to restaurants. Food time. Menus can be confusing with unknown dishes. Ask, what is this made of? Or can you recommend something? Lily, you're the waiter and I'm ordering.
Welcome. What can I get you?
Hi, what's paella? Can you tell me more about it?
It's a Spanish rice dish with seafood and veggies.
Sounds good, but pretend I didn't hear. Pardon? Seafood and what?
Veggies.
Thanks. Freeze to repeat. Can you tell me more about it? Everyone, can you tell me more about it?
Awesome. Interactive moment. Think of a food you don't know. Say out loud, what is this made of? Go ahead, pause if needed. Back? Great. Ben, share a funny restaurant story.
Sure. I once asked for clarification on spicy levels. The waiter said medium, but it was fire. I gasped, "Excuse me, could you help me with some water?" Haha. Lesson, always clarify spice. Joke, why did the diner ask for help? His soup was too stirring.
Grown, but good one. Now, social situations, like parties. Someone tells a story too fast. Use, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat the last part? Repeat. Could you repeat the last part?
Let's role play. Lily, I'm telling a joke. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
But pretend I missed it. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat the last part?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Now that's funny. Another phrase is, did I hear that right? Say, did I hear that right? Useful for double checking.
Yes. In class or learning English, say, Teacher, can you go over that again? Repeat. Can you go over that again? Lily, be the student confused about grammar.
Teacher Ben, what's the difference between help and clarification?
Help is assistance. Clarification is making something clear.
Can you go over that again with examples?
Sure. Help is, can you help me carry this? Clarification is, can you clarify what you mean?
Clear now. Listeners, repeat both phrases. Can you help me? And can you clarify what you mean?
Perfect. Let's add shopping. In a store, sizes or prices unclear. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size? Or, how much is this? If unclear, pardon, how much did you say?
Role play time, Ben. You're shopping for shoes.
Hi, how much are these sneakers?
$40.
Pardon, 40 or 14?
40.
Thanks. Repeat. Pardon, 40 or 14. Shows how to clarify numbers.
Numbers can trick you. Joke. Why did the number ask for clarification? It couldn't count on its memory.
Nice. Now, doctor's visits. Important to understand health stuff. Doctor, I don't get this. Can you explain simply?
Yes. Then be the patient.
Dr. Lily, what does prescription mean?
It's a note for medicine. Can you explain what confuses you?
The dosage, twice a day?
Yes, morning and night.
Got it. Phrase, can you explain simply? Repeat, can you explain simply?
Excellent. Interactive. Say 5 phrases we've learned. 1, excuse me, could you help me? 2, pardon? 3, could you repeat that? 4, what do you mean by that? 5, could you speak slower? Pause and practice.
You're pros now. Let's think about emails or texts, but in talk form. If a message confuses, call and say, I got your text, but what did you mean by?
Right. Then pretend you sent a confusing text.
Text. Meet at cafe at 2.
On phone. Hey, what did you mean by cafe? Which one?
The one on Main Street.
Thanks for clarifying. Repeat, what did you mean by?
Spot on. Travel again. At airports. Excuse me, which gate for flight to Paris?
Gate 12.
Sorry, I didn't hear. Which gate?
12.
Phrase, I didn't hear. Repeat, I didn't hear.
We repeat because it's how brains learn. More scenarios. At the bank. Can you help me with this form?
Sure, fill here.
Pardon? Where?
Here, section 2.
Thanks. Joke. Why did the banker need clarification? His accounts didn't add up.
In a library, where can I find books on English?
Aisle 5.
Could you show me? I need help.
Of course. Phrase, could you show me?
Repeat. Could you show me?
Now common mistakes. Don't say, huh? It's casual. Use pardon instead. Ben, bad example.
Huh?
Better. Pardon? See the difference?
Yes, another mistake. Not asking, pretending. Bad idea leads to mix-ups.
True. Story. I pretended to understand directions once, ended up at a zoo instead of a museum, asked for help eventually.
Funny. Interactive. Think of a mistake you made. Say, next time I'll ask for clarification.
Great mindset. Let's add advanced phrases for B1 level. I'm afraid I didn't quite follow. Could you elaborate?
Fancy. Repeat. Could you elaborate? Means explain more.
Yes. Role play. Ben, explain a hobby.
I like hiking, climbing mountains.
I'm afraid I didn't quite follow. Could you elaborate on hiking?
Walking in nature, up hills with a backpack.
Cool. Another. Just to make sure. Did you say?
Repeat. Just to make sure, did you say?
Use it often. In a job interview, just to make sure, did you say the start date is Monday?
Yes.
Clarifies big things. Joke. Why did the interviewer ask for help? The resume was puzzling.
At the gym, how do I use this machine? Can you help?
Pull the bar down.
Sorry, could you demonstrate?
Sure. Phrase, could you demonstrate?
Repeat. Could you demonstrate?
Visual help. In a classroom group, I need clarification on the homework.
It's page 10.
Thanks. Repeat, I need clarification on.
Good. Public transport. Does this bus go to downtown?
Yes.
Pardon, yes or no?
Yes.
Always double check. Interactive. Say, does this go to with a place you know?
Fun. At a concert, what time does it start? I didn't catch the announcement.
8 p.m.
Thanks. Phrase, I didn't catch the...
Repeat it.
We're building your toolkit. In a hotel, excuse me, could you help with the Wi-Fi?
Password is welcome123.
Could you spell that?
WELCOME 123.
Helpful. Repeat, could you spell that?
Essential for names, addresses. Joke. Why did the spell checker need clarification? It couldn't autocorrect the confusion.
Silly. Online classes. Teacher, the link isn't working. Can you help?
Try this one.
Thanks. Phrase, the isn't working. Can you help?
Adaptable. At a party game, what are the rules? Can you explain again?
Roll dice, move pieces.
Can you explain again? I missed part.
Sure. Repeat, can you explain again?
Patience is key. Story. Ben, your party blunder. I asked pardon 5 times during charades. Turned out it was elephant.
Hilarious. Shows persistence pays.
Yep. In a cafe, what flavors of ice cream? Could you list them?
Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry.
Pardon after chocolate.
Strawberry.
Thanks. Repeat. Could you list them?
Lists help. Interactive. List 3 phrases out loud. Go.
Back? Super. At the post office, how do I send this package? Need help.
Fill this form.
What do you mean by form?
This paper.
Clear. Repeat. How do I need help?
Practical. In scenarios, repeated for memory. Added interactive repeats and jokes for fun.
You nailed it. Keep practicing daily. Chat with friends, watch English videos, ask questions boldly. Every ask builds confidence. Thanks for tuning in.
See you in episode 48. Bye, everyone. Think in English.
Bye.